Good.
Yeah, I was helping him cook.
And I'm actually cooking now. I'm like a grandmaster now. I can show you my game, how I play.
Wait, that was my match.
Okay, but I'm going to show the guys how to play.
I don't think all the guys don't know how to play. I think some guys have.
Did you guys see that?
That was a free goal maybe.
Yep. Oh shit, oh shit.
Ah, bro, this messed up. You bro.
Eh.
Oh
shit.
What are you doing, bro?
Sorry.
Wait, bro, give me this. I'm gonna cook. Yeah, I'm gonna cook. I'm here, bro. I'm here.
We can even show face cam.
I don't want face cam.
You can look at video.
I cooked in my own bowl, but that was actually cool.
Oh my god!
Yo, that was clutch.
That was thick.
Maybe. I wish I'd got hat trick on that.
आता मजे ताला
Yo!
hat trick, you got hat trick.
I am a W, bro. I just did a.
You got a hat trick.
You know, guys, I'm actually in this game. I'm actually a diamond 4.
You're actually a grandmaster.
No, I'm a diamond 4. Diamond is the
In mobile?
yeah.
Oh.
In the third best rank. Diamond is his third best rank.
And this guy on his PlayStation is I think grandmaster.
No, maybe SSL.
Oh
bro,
my
I am so fucking cooking this guy. Bro.
Okay, bro, no swearing. This is family friendly.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yo, cut that out. Yeah, I cooked him. He's just gonna bring in his own goal. I got a pass. Oh frick!
I guess after this,
Critical shot.
after my edit upload this, we have to do this is not made for kids because bro swears.
I accidentally swear. Sorry.
Okay, show me.
So
Let's go.
So does this dumb kiddos.
Look, El Bozo.
Bro, I can't even do that. Oh wait, we got 20 goals. 7 goals.
Oh wow, go bro.
Bro, we got 7 shots exactly, and all the shots were goal.
Rocket pass.
Wait, you cancel.
2000. We got 2000.
Cancel. Yes.
Challenges.
We got 3000. Wait, what do actually do? I don't think actually doesn't.
I think we can get a car now. Where is
Let's see,
it? Wait. Oh, Narwhal.
What is this?
Special avatar.
What is avatar? You good for this?
What?
Oh! Looks kind of cool actually.
Okay, but we can get the car now.
Which car can we get? We can get this one?
The cool car.
No, that is the cool car. That looks cool.
Which looked cool.
Wait, go to the item shop. Yeah? I just think this one.
Show me. Yeah, let's. Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn, but this is cooking.
Equip.
Bro, we're cooking.
Yo, let's go.
Huh? Where's the decal?
Who cares? We will do that later.
But from this way only our car is so freaking good. We have 2 cars.
Yeah.
What if we sell this one?
We can't sell.
We can actually.
Wait,
Don't you remember in Techno Gamers last video he sold his own old car?
Yeah.
We can do that with this match.
Okay.
Wait, if you struggle, I'm gonna help you cook, okay?
Yep.
Store stack. He's just gonna this guy's so noob.
Yeah.
Look at bro's car. Wait, it kind of looks like the same one. Okay?
Oh wait, what the?
This guy's using boost. Okay, this guy's cooking. What a save! He's cooking, but we need to get careful.
Oh shit!
But get the try hard. What is he doing? Look at that insane flick. Why are you AFK?
Okay. Oh shit!
Bro, just become try hard. Oh, what a flip!
No! Bro, it's
You gotta flip this one. How was that save? You just hit it yourself. Huh, bro? This guy's cooking. We need to get careful.
Oh!
cook on this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, we need to in position.
Whoa. Oh,
What the?
bro, why can't you beat like a bronze 2 whatever?
Bro, that guy does not. Bro, this guy looks like a smurf.
Oh, save it. Oh,
Unleashing my diamond 4 skills. Bro, is so angry.
are you
You know-
going to try hard or try easy?
I'm easy right now.
Okay, bro is hitting in our own goal, bre.
Shut up.
Bruh. What are you doing? No way.
Bro.
Show me, I'm going to try it.
Bro, is this guy? Bro, this guy is probably controlled by Grandmaster 10.
Whoa. I'm going to lose my rank, bro.
We're not. Chill. We're just gonna lose 1 point after losing 5 matches. Chill. I need to cook a different way. But where are you flipping? No, you weren't bowling.
Oh!
A pins. Wait, a goal pin. A post pin. Save this one. Bro, you just saved it yourself. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Wait, don't freestyle. You're just freestyling right now. Don't do that. What is he doing? He's literally spamming the joystick. How is he supposed to do that a goal?
So if I actually do a goal right now,
Geez, we're gonna lose this match. Remember guys, this is not me, this is Viranj
yeah.
playing. And he just did a going.
Oh shit!
Bro, that is called a
We
goal.
actually clutch up.
Wait, can we cook? Can I cook on 7 seconds? Can I cook in 7 seconds?
Wait, let's see. Oh! No way, bro.
Go for the aerial.
No, we can't do it.
Bro, imagine if I was on the place, I would literally dribble it right in the goal. But he has the same card.
Yeah. Huh?
How are we not bronze 3?
I think we lose.
No, but it was full.
Let me see.
No.
Check out the settings.
Ripper, we get a new car. I mean a
Wait, what
new
is
wheels.
that? Wow. What is proper present?
Oh. We get this quick.
Oh
No.
shit, bro.
I think we're gonna get it after we come back from the match. Okay, I don't have it. But
It's okay.
we don't care. Tiger brains.
Bro is a normal car, bro.
But I just Adrian right in Bro's face.
Oh, whoa.
I must be fit.
Try to do a trick.
Wait, I couldn't do a trick because... Bro, why do they make these side lines anyway? No one's going in them. Right?
Yeah. Phone be like 2D and PlayStation and laptop be like 3D.
Cook. Oh, damn, bro. I did an air dribble. Wait, that was a double tap, right?
Yeah.
Imagine if we could replace... Bro, this guy be like now. Is it actually... Bro, this guy be like right now. Is this actually a bronze 1, bro? I mean a bronze 2. Bro, I'm actually diamond 4 and this guy doesn't even know. This guy has no idea.
Bro, no way.
Yes, way. Bro, no way. Nah, bro, that's not real. Yes, way.
Guys, please like and subscribe, bro. I'm so close to 100 subscribers.
Yeah, and please subscribe to me.
Your channel's name and YouTube's channel name is Pixelated Chaos RSP, also known as the Ethereal.
It's not known as, it is.
It is the
We're
Ethereal.
on 6 goals.
It is the Ethereal, but you have to write Pixelated Chaos with a dash and RSP.
No, not dash, underscore.
Underscore, okay.
Bro does not know basic.
Guys, as you heard me, please, bro. I'm a kid, bro. Please.
And I swear I'm a kid.
Bro, this guy is like almost 10 and I'm almost 9.
Nah, you're not almost. It's literally May and you're saying almost. Bro, what is in October?
What the hell?
What the hell is that shot, bro?
Excuse you.
I don't know that myself. I don't know that myself.
Ooh, 8. Oh wow. GG calculated. GG calculated.
What a save, what a save.
Bronze
3.
3.
9 goals. You got 1,000.
My turn.
Wait, I think we got challenges. We have 250 coins. We have only 250. We spend most of it on this card. But we still
we
have
can change our name, right? No.
No, we can change our avatar.
Moai head.
Bro, no, let's type in it. It looks really cool.
What?
Waigi. None.
What?
Curse.
Huh? Pingu Pin. Wait, I know Pingu. He's a guy, bro, from a very old cartoon. Ready?
Not that
Oh, wise bro. Oh, wait, I know what he's trying to do.
He's trying to do AFK goal. I mean save. Don't you dare, Ariel.
Oh.
Bro, Pingu is a legend.
Oh.
I hate to say it, but Pingu is kind of like better than his branch.
Bro, but I'm bronze too. What do you think, bro?
You're not bronze 2, you're bronze 2.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
If you're gonna become silver 1.
Oh, what the heck?
Wait, how did he just get a flip recovery? That's like one of the hardest mechs in the game. Guys, if you know about flip recovery, that's one of the hardest mechs in the game, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Bro, Branch,
Yeah.
you accidentally did the hardest mech on the game.
Can you do it?
Probably not. But you did it somehow. It's called flip recovery.
How do we do it?
You remember when you were at the goal and you flipped and you landed right on your wheels and doing a backflip right on that time?
Yep.
That's one of the hardest moves in the game. Go for it!
Oh.
What a save.
No way, bro.
He got cooked. He got cooked by his own goal. No, don't power shot it.
You critical shot goal.
But can I kick now?
But you play already, bro.
No, it's only like 53 seconds.
Oh.
I'm freestyling. I'm going on his own trick.
Yeah.
Bro, guys, I just cooked him. He thought I was also going to come, but nah, bro.
Martin. Oh my god.
I wish there was calling him.
Go, cook. Yep.
Yes, sir. We cooking. Martins, we cooking. How was the horse ducking? Bro, did you see that? I was literally horse ducking.
Yo, no way, bro.
No.
Oh.
How did it go?
Now can I go? I want to play now. Can I play now?
Okay. Until 10 seconds, okay?
Oh! Why did you hard, bro?
Cool.
Oh shit.
Go for the aerial. No. No, don't.
Oh man.
I said don't.
Yeah.
You actually forgot to save that on that somehow. But you know, bro, I'm gonna do the squishy save. Wait, I'm gonna do a squishy save.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, do you like Squishy? One of the best players in in 3D Rocket League. I love Squishy.
Yeah. Oh no way.
Guys, he's only bronze 3 and he just got a flip reset. And we won.
And I won.
Yeah, we're standing. Yo, guys, this guy's been becoming Downstone since we downloaded this game. This guy's been becoming
We just downloaded it today, bro.
Yeah, right now. Like, maybe. Let's see on the time.
Like 30 minutes ago.
Not 30.
15 minutes.
Not 15 minutes. We started.
20.
Yeah. Yo, we gotta cook. We're so cooking, right, bro?
Yeah. When are we going to do volleyball?
Not right now, bro. We kind of like hate volleyball.
You just said we could do it.
I don't want to do it right now. Okay. Let's see. Cockroach. Pizza. Look at this RVP like when he wants to become drunk. Yo, but I like this one.
Oh wow, you're pixelated, bro.
Chainsaw. Hello.
Hello.
We're God. GG the club.
What the heck?
I think I like this one. What is this one? The
Bal.
shuriken. No, the diver died.
Shuriken.
No,
Flame Shuriken.
no, this is
I'm
Pepsi.
an anime fan, bro.
Please, bat. Let's see more. Baseball cat.
Pigeon.
Wait, what is this?
Robo Visor.
Okay. Now let's see more. Okay, this is more. Boombox.
Boombox. We play music, Mox. Blue color. Let's check out blue. Light blue. Wait, this matches with a car. Let's do this.
Wait, dark blue is matching the car.
But let's do light blue with this.
Wait, if we do it
Why
black,
are we changing the color of the car?
yeah.
Bam! Okay,
Look,
good play.
Wait. We didn't claim Ripper. Basic wheel equipped. Decal.
We already had good wheels there.
We don't have good wheels. This is bad. Stone watch.
Wait, show me.
Wait, let's just do Kana again.
Let's see something else.
No, down there are only commons. If I tell you.
Okay.
I wish we could get a. Wait. Should we go to
Let's change our.
Wait, what if we also have this?
Also this. Wait, let's do. This is better, bro.
Yeah, right. But this is good for demo maybe. Looks good from the side actually.
Nah, not really.
Let's see this one. No. Wait, this one actually looks kind of cool.
But this is way better.
Yeah. It's like the same, boy. Let's go.
Why are we?
What am I doing? Bro, look. I look so cool. We're so pro now, right?
Yep.
I'm literally.
I just need to become better on 3D.
No, I don't need to be. Bro, if should I tell you something?
What?
If you start liking 3D, there's no escaping its addiction. Like me, bro. I once started playing and I liked 3D, and then you can never leave it.
2D is. I like 2D for now. Oh shit.
I'm so cooking. I was so cooking, right?
Yeah.
Bro, what is
But
it doing?
one good thing about 3D is it is multiplayer.
No, this one also has multiplayer. Didn't we to party up?
But how can we do it?
I'm those who don't speak these videos.
I'm not even speaking.
No. You always said for looking.
What the heck? What does that mean,
Bro, don't do that.
bro? I accidentally said, bro. You Indian.
Bruh. I only have 1/4 Indian, rest I'm kind of like British.
Yeah, me too.
You know how? I have proof.
Show me.
Oh!
My god, wow.
He just pinched it in though. Yo! Do you know how? I'm gonna prove that I know English better than him. What does comprehension mean?
Comprehension, reading comprehension. You're in 5th grade, bro. I'm 4th.
Bro, he just asked me a question that I really don't even know.
My teacher didn't even tell me what is comprehension means.
Oh, teacher dumb. Teacher a dumb broad. Nah, bro, she's not a teacher. She's a dumb broad. She's getting money. That's all. Same.
Bro, our principals eat money, not our teachers.
Bro, don't they get salary, dumb?
Oh yeah.
Bro, so dumb. Bro doesn't know that teachers get salary. Bro is laughing at himself.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, this
that
guy-
was a nice shot.
Nice shot, bro. Bro, all of these people are playing with our rude and we're the only one kind.
Oh man.
Save.
Oh!
No, I grieved myself. Paji, maaf kar do. I was speaking Punjabi, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Don't you dare point a finger at me. Ah,
Martin,
bro, tricked.
Martin, Bougie, bloody Martin.
Oh my God, stop swearing. Stop swearing, my boy.
I wasn't even swearing. What do you mean?
That was swearing, bro. Guys, if you know that bloody is a swear word, do write it in the comments. Or a cockroach is gonna wake up right next to you.
Yes.
I mean, when you wake up, there's gonna be like 5 cockroaches right on your face, and then you're gonna die of this smell, and they're gonna lay eggs on you.
And you're going to become famous.
Yeah.
What the heck are you doing?
That would feel like a good mother.
Is this about bullshit?
Wait, if he does it, it's actually more exciting. I'm gonna let him do it. Oh my God, I accidentally started. No, I wish he had done it. You know why? Because then I would get infinity time on this match. Yeah, I'm so enjoying myself.
Now my turn, bro.
Wait. Wait, which rank are we?
I think I have silver now.
Maybe. Need to go back.
It doesn't even show us.
Bronze 4.
Let's do casual now, right now.
Casual is casual, dude.
Mute, what is this?
Don't you dare do this right now. Rocket Master or something. Shark fin. Dismiss. Bro, wait. After a few tears, we can get 10 tokens in this and a wheel present. And in this, we can get almost any wheel. Why did it turn on TV?
Screen share.
What do you mean screen share?
You can see the screen on TV. Oh shit, oh no.
Oh shit, he's cooking. You know, bronze 4 is actually kind of good. If you ask me, bronze 4 is good. I mean, it's drifting.
For a person who's just starting.
Pinch.
Pinch it. Okay, that's okay.
Yo, that was a little ceiling pinch. Guys, didn't like that?
Yep.
If you... Bro, are you a guy? Okay, if you like this, then go subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a really important announcement.
Huh?
You're so close to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe.
Ah, frick. Frick is not a swear word. Bro just grieved himself.
Oh wow.
He just critical shot, bro. Guys, we're cooking. Yo, this video is like 22 minutes.
So,
It's a good one, right?
yeah. Ay.
Bro, this is so good. Right?
How long does this matching taking bidding
Yo, Viranj,
work?
you can silence your dog, Shivansh.
Bro sleeping.
Oh. But who's barking then?
I guess it's done.
I mean,
Neighbors.
the street dog. The street dog. Don't you remember the one next door?
Yeah.
He's really love barking.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I'll send a fleece guy.
I guess the guys can't hear it because the mic is on low volume a bit.
But we're literally going through this mess, guys, right now.
Oh!
Save. He got cooked. We go for double tap. Double tap! Guys, am I cooking right now? Shut up. What are you doing?
I want to say something. Nice shot. Okay.
I'm gonna
What
stand
the heck are you doing?
No, I was trying to save that. Bro, it's called a tombstone save. Guys, grand bronze.
Why?
He was a grand bronze.
Ay.
Wait, a diamond is beating a noobie pizza in grand bronze.
Okay.
No way, bro. No way. I never scored in my life. I only scored in this one. This is you.
Oh my god.
guys, like they have a shield comedians who do like who has ads in it like this. Okay guys, so today's sponsor of this video is Samsung. Basically we got this phone. This is a Samsung, wait, what
Galaxy Z Fold 6.
yeah, it says Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Fold 6.
So yeah, it doesn't lag. It's very smooth.
Yeah, only if you turn off FPS. I mean FPS locator, because it really messed things up. So guys, beware.
And also the Epic Games sponsored us too for letting us play the game. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
really platinum. Okay,
Okay, so right guys,
Okay.
back to the game.
guys, this is platinum. So I need to cook. I'm only one rank better than him.
Okay.
How in the world is platinum in a diamond? I mean in a.
Oh my god, man.
He's cooking and his own goal.
Mate, can you cook, mate?
Nah, bro.
Mate, what are you doing, mate?
Bro, this guy's a plat.
That the VNT Tesla plate. Oh my god. Don't you feel the goal is way higher now?
I tried to get a pinch.
No, do you think that the whole goal is getting higher?
It is. It always does.
Oh wow.
How did I just cook a plat?
What did you say?
How did I just cook a plat?
Okay.
Did you think I sweared?
No.
I think, why would you ask that?
Cause I didn't hear that properly. Oh my god.
No, I was going for the ceiling shot.
No!
This Mustafa guy.
Mustafa, who's
Mo
Mustafa?
the Mustafa. Mo the Mustafa.
Wadma Mustafa Patapa. Hey yo.
What the freak was that? I was trying to say, I almost saved that, bro. I almost saved that. Bro, we're gonna lose our first ever match. This is our first match, right?
No, bro.
No, our first match getting lost.
No, yeah. Oh.
Oh!
This is our first or second?
No, this is first. When we lost the first time, it was not on recording.
Oh.
Bro, forgetting everything in history. Bro, this guy doesn't remember history like 10 seconds ago.
Bro, what the hell?
What was I? What was happening again?
No.
Okay, he just grieved himself. Okay. Gotta return. No! If I try really hard, I can cook on this. No! Please save it, bro. No! This is our first match we lost. Guys, please forgive me.
Yes, please.
Please, this is my first match. Losing.
Why are we on 30 FPS now?
This is the best FPS. Guys, this guy's so dumb. He thinks low FPS is really bad. On high FPS, he lags. Joystick arrow? Wait, when enable double tapping the joystick when we can. It's joystick. Wait. We need to go into training. Quick. Look at this. If I double tap it, it goes into air roll. Look like this.
What? That's how I did it in the tutorial.
Wait, now let's try playing with this.
Can you single press?
Nah, it's a double tap. Bro, but this is really cool.
Yeah.
Wait, this
My
is
turn, bro. You
Huh?
just did last time.
Oh yeah. This guy's a S724 bronze. I think you might be able to beat this guy.
Oh shit.
Yo, bro, in this game, bronze is surprisingly too good, right? Oh
yeah.
my god, you got a pinch.
Oh.
Oh, wish.
Oh man.
Bro, you're griefing your own shot. What is he doing? I wish we had a title. You dumb. You literally air rolling. Bro is in front. Oh my god, what a save. What are you doing? Don't try to air roll. Oh, bro. What was that? A dragon?
Bro is a season 24 bronze.
Bro, season 24 is this season.
Oh yeah.
Bro has become a bronze. Bro just became a bronze and bro is flexing out some title.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think I need to cook. I think I need to cook, bro. You dumb. You dumb car.
Yeah.
What, bro?
Heck. No way, bro. I'm going to cook.
I'm so dumb. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Why is bro getting angry with those?
He's practically dumb.
Okay. Oh man.
Oh, freaking man. What are you doing?
What?
How in the world did he do that? Guys, Rocket League is actually pretty fun, right?
Yeah.
Like, if you're just bored and you want to play something on your phone, try this game.
If it's available on App Store only.
Only on App Store, and if you're on Android or something like that,
Then you have to download the APK.
yeah, just go on Google.
Oh no.
What the freak are you doing?
You have to write Rocket League Sideswipe APK.
No, it will appear automatically. This is 1 minute. Run. Stop.
Or you could install Epic Games on your mobile from Play Store.
Like we just did that.
Yeah.
I can't remember. Did you? Oh yeah, I remember you logging into Epic Games from Google, right?
Yeah.
Oh!
Why did that?
Why are you saving his goals?
I don't know why what is
Okay, let's just forfeit. Let's just forfeit on this one. Yeah, let's just forfeit on this one. Ratatatata.
Wow.
He's on a 6-goal lead. Oh! Bro, what a clutch. What a clumsy clutch. Okay, maybe like you did a pop reset, you would break your ankles.
Jankle, bang, chicken bang. I mean, bang, chicken bang. Oh, yo.
Instead,
man.
he's going goal on your side. Bro, he just went to 1 week.
Okay, guys, bye-bye. Bye, guys.